tell me ma, when I get home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. They call me hers, don't like home, but that's alright till I get home. She's handsome, she's pretty, she's the belle of Belfast City. She's the courting 1, 2, 3, I pray, won't you tell me who is she? We're back under the old oak tree again today, which means it's song time. We are learning an Irish classic, one of my favourite Irish tunes, and it's called I'll Tell Me Ma. A lot of fun to play. I can imagine after a few pints of the old Guinness, it'll be a real crowd pleaser. So yeah, it's a fairly fast-paced song, so it's needs a bit of work on the frailing hand. We're going to be using the Simply Songs method, which means I'm going to put tabs up here and we'll play through it together using the most simplest way possible. So the chords for this, we're going to be using standard open G. We're going to be using D7 chord, which looks like that. A C chord. And a D major chord. Just play a partial D. Normally, you're supposed to hold it like that. But we'll just do a partial D like that because they sound pretty much the same. So we've got G, D7, C, D. Those are the chords. So the Simply Songs tabs will be going up on the screen here. If you've never used a Simply Song tab before, it is a Banjo Adventures exclusive invented by me. It's very simple. You've got 5 lines on the screen. Each line represents a banjo string, string 5, 4, 3, 2, and string number 1. All the notes will be contained within these rectangles. They're called measures. And there are only 2 types of notes that you will see on a Simply Songs tab. You've got single quarter notes, which will appear as a 0 with a wick. And notes that do not have wicks are called bum ditty notes. So they'll use the basic frailing action, that bum ditty. So the tab on the screen there would sound something like this. Nice and easy. Fretted notes will appear as numbers other than 0. So you'll see there the middle string is fretted at the 2nd fret, which would sound like this. So the tab on the screen would sound something like this. You are my sunshine, and the sun is just coming out for us today. So yeah, you need your banjo tuned to standard open G, G, D, G, B, D. And that's all you need to know, so let's get cracking. So first of all, we're going to be hitting a single quarter note pickup measure on the 4th string. And we're going with some bum ditty action on the 4th string, followed by the 2nd string. Tell me ma when. D7 chord, and strike the 2nd string. Release it to play a G on the 2nd string as well. I'll tell me ma when I get home. The 2nd string again open, boys won't. Then we're going to fret that D chord. Hit the middle string twice. Leave the girls there. Let go of it, play the G on the middle string, lonely. So I went through that a little bit quick, but I will just play the first 2 lines relatively slowly, just so you can see exactly what's happening. I'll tell me ma when I get home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. A little bit quicker. I'll tell me ma when I get home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. And then the 3rd line down is a repeat of the 1st line. Pull me hair and stole me comb, but. And then the bottom line there is a repeat of the 2nd line. So there's a lot of repetition, which helps. That's all right till I get home. All together. I'll tell me ma when I get home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. They pull me hair and stole my comb, but that's alright till I get home. A little bit quicker. I'll tell me ma when I get home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. They pull me hair and stole my comb, but that's alright till I get home. A lot of fun to play. If you're liking this, style of learning, these simply songs, I've got a growing collection of super simple Clawhammer Banjo songs for new players and visual learners. So if you struggle reading standard tab, you can use the Simply Songs tab to build your repertoire very fast. Let's get into the chorus. So the chorus starts on the first string, open G chord. She is handsome, C chord, second string. She is pretty. Release that. So for the second line down, we're going to play the G chord on the second string. She is the belle of. I'm going to hold that D chord, but what I'm going to do is just pluck the middle string at the second fret, quarter note, fourth string at the fourth fret. So you have to fret your D chord there, and then I use my ring finger, just swing over, and then whack your ring finger on that, fourth string at the fourth fret. It means you're going to end up losing the D chord, unless you can keep your middle finger on there. So try and keep your index and middle fingers where they are. Swing your ring finger over, and do that. So it should go, she is the belle of Belfast City. Back up to the G chord. She is a courting 1, 2, 3, I. G, pray can you, middle string, tell me. Release it for the G on the middle string twice. Who is she? So I'll play through the chorus slowly. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She is a courting 1, 2, 3, I pray, won't you tell me who is she? Played a little bit faster. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She is a courting 1, 2, 3, I pray, won't you tell me who is she? Okay, so that is the chorus and the verses. Now what I like to do is sort of decorate it up a bit, because that is just the Simply Songs version. So now it is worthwhile, adding a bit more flair to it, some embellishments. So let's see what we've got. Let's see what ideas we can come up with. On the D7 section there, you could play quarter notes. So you could play, I'll tell me ma when I get home. So instead of playing the D7 bum ditty, you could play. And then on the D section there, you could play, some quarter notes again. And then you could try a technique as well called a brush skip. So instead of playing the full bum ditty, you take the dit away, so it's bum ti. Adds a bit more space to the song. So you can see on the part there, we'll go from the D back to the G. Let's see what we can do with the chorus. So we've got, you can play another brush skip. Better drop them there. She is a handsome C chord. She is pretty. Altogether, that sounds like this. I added a hammer on there with the C chord. She is a handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of. So it's just adding more melody back into the tune. She is a haunting 1, 2, 3, I pray, won't you tell me who? So you can see at the end there, I've really jazzed it up a bit. I've added a hammer on for the C chord. And then we're going to play a lot drop thumb. Hold the D chord. Followed by the G. So there's loads of little different techniques in there that you could plug into the song. Let's try it all together. So yeah, I mean, that's just one option of doing things. You know, there's loads of different ways you could spice this little tune up. And yeah, if you wanted a copy of that tab and many more different songs that you can play, be sure to check out banjoadventures.com and subscribe, obviously, because then you'll be notified of when the next Simply song comes out.